G'day guys, it's Tommy here from Raw Blend. Today I'm gonna make for you a Green Detox Elixir in the Greenstar Pro Juicer by TriBest. This is a twin gear masticating juicer. I'll show you the twin gears here. Stainless steel, all stainless steel. You should feel the weight in these, really heavy. So this is what's gonna be doing all the juicing work. Now these gears are magnetic. You'll see it wants to pull towards it here, look at that. Pretty cool. So that's the bioceramic and magnetic technology in the gears. So when I'm assembling my juicer, you can see the dots there. I want to make sure that one dot is in between the other two dots, line them up. Otherwise the gears aren't going to align correctly. I'm just going to put them straight on here, give them a little bit of a wiggle as you put them on. Perfect. I've got my gears in place. I'll put on the twin gear housing, my fine juicing screen, put on the discharge casing, and then I've got this outlet adjusting knob. It's a spring retention. So when I'm juicing hard vegetables and greens, I want to have this done up really tight. It's going to keep all that fruit and vegetables in there as long as possible before expelling it through the discharge chute here. So we're going to get more nutrients out of our juice and a really dry pulp. Put our safety hood on and we're ready to juice. So for this Green Detox Elixir, I've got some beautiful fruit and vegetables here. I'm gonna start with some cucumber. Just turn my juicer on. I'm gonna feed it straight in. Use the plunger to push it down into the gears. I've got some pear, really alkalizing fruit, goes in with the stem and all, straight in. Some celery, so good for you. All these strings, with a normal juicer, they'll get wrapped around the gear and they'll jam it up. Not with the Greenstar. It's gonna smash those straight up. It's got little teeth on the gears, which are actually gonna cut the strings on the celery. Nice big chunk of ginger with the skin. We don't have to worry about peeling it. We actually have the Byron Bay Ginger Cordial Company. They juice 25 kilos of ginger a day in the Greenstar. Pretty heavy duty. Put in a whole lime, nice bit of citrus flavor in there. Kale, beautiful dark leafy green. I want to put that in. Part of our green elixir. Put some mint in there, absolutely beautiful, smell that fresh taste. Now, this is the best juicer I've ever used for juicing greens and hard vegetables. Not a problem. And also some beautiful fresh parsley for our elixir. Just put that straight in. You do require some downward force to push the ingredients into the gears. It's not going to self-feed like a typical single auger style juicer, so we don't recommend this juicer for anyone with arthritis in the hands. Taking me about 4 or 5 minutes to make about a liter of juice here. Absolutely delicious. Look at that vibrant green color. That's all the chlorophyll, all that liquid sunlight. So good for you. Absolutely delicious. So this is like an elixir juice. Going to be a really good detox, really good cleanser. Perfect for springtime. You can just have a shot of this if you like, or you can have a whole glass. I'm going to have a whole glass. If it's too mean for you, you just can add some more sweeter fruit, maybe some more cucumber, some more apple or pear. Cheers. I like it just like that. Happy juicing.